Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the system basics. Open Settings, then Sound, and set the output device and master volume to 100%. Once done, inspect the specific app or tab. Some sites have their own volume controls, so raise those too. Make sure hardware keys actually change levels. If they do not, reboot to reset audio services. Also disable any power-saving audio options that lower output automatically, because those can silently reduce loudness during playback. Next, you use software and alternate outputs to increase perceived loudness. Add a reputable Chrome equalizer extension and gently raise the gain while cutting mid-bass to prevent distortion. Once done, try different output devices. A USB DAC or powered speakers usually deliver higher, cleaner volume than internal speakers. Make sure Chrome OS is updated. Outdated audio drivers can cap level. If you have multiple audio extensions, disable extras to avoid processing conflicts that lower or distort sound. Finally, you complete the fix by choosing the most reliable hardware route. Powered external speakers or a quality USB DAC are the fastest way to get louder, distortion-free sound. Make sure to test multiple headphones and media files to isolate whether the issue is the file, app, or Chromebook hardware. If levels remain low after updating and testing, perform a factory reset only after backing up. Otherwise, contact support. Troubleshooting tip: always test with wired headphones first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.